How to delete MetaMask account permanently. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can delete MetaMask account permanently. So what do you do first? The first thing to do is to log in into your MetaMask extension wallet, just like I have done here. And then once you're on this page, the next thing that you have to do is to go ahead, move to the top right corner and then click on the three dots. After clicking on the three dots, you can see account details, connected sites, support settings. So just click on settings. Then after clicking on settings, you will go to the settings page. On this page, the next thing to do is to move to the left side, click on your security and privacy, and then scroll down until you can see account deletion. Now, if you cannot see this, that means that you cannot delete your account of your own volition. So what do? You reach out to the customer service by moving to the top right corner, click on the three dots, and then click on support. Alright, so after clicking on support, you will brought to the support page. So on this page, you can see different articles that have addressed similar questions that you might have. So once you can see this, the next thing for you to do would be to check out the articles, or you can just ask your question by moving to the top right corner of the screen where you can see a search bar, which is how to delete my account permanently. Okay, and I click on the enter button, and then the articles that I've addressed that will be displayed to you. So you can just read through this, get your solution, practice it, and then your MetaMask wallet would be deleted. So this is how you can delete your account permanently. And after doing that, the next thing that you should do would be to uninstall the MetaMask from your extension. And how do you do so? Move to the top right corner, click on the extension tab, and then the options displayed, you can see MetaMask. Move to the right side, click on the more option button, and then you see remove from Chrome, and then just like that it will be deleted, and your account should also be deleted alongside. So this is how you can go about it. Thanks for watching and have a good day.